Yeah, and speaking of model, we did have a consulting firm come in and kind of take a look at our whole model and assess our model. So tell us a little bit more about that.
So in 2018, we brought in a group called APA Consulting. They are a private consulting group out of Denver they've been around for about 30 years doing work on education and equity. They had deep experience both in Routt County as well as with the Denver preschool program, so they were really well suited to come in. And what we wanted them to do is, our program had been around for 10 years. We wanted them to take a critical look at it and say, is this the best use of public funds? Could we be more effective? Are there other efficiencies we should be looking at? What are the other opportunities? And also, one of the biggest challenges around child care and early childhood education is retention and recruitment of staff.
Right.
It's typically a low-paid field. There aren't a lot of benefits associated with it. And so we asked them to really delve in and see what we could do to improve our recruitment and retention practices. And they came back and basically said, not only is this a well-run program, but it's also the envy of other mountain communities.
Which is wonderful to hear.
Wonderful to hear.
Yeah.
And really, the recommendations they had were really to take the program to the next level. Most of those had to do about additional supports for teachers, especially, one of the big findings was through focus groups and work with other high quality centers around the state was that teachers had a hard time seeing this as a real lifetime career because they didn't have full health or retirement benefits. And so one of our goals for 2019 is how can we package and find a way to create an association among the different 4 schools or at a broader level at the county level so that we can get the kind of breaks on insurance and think of world-class benefits like the town offers for these small organizations. So it's really exciting and fun work, and we're getting a lot of notice. Next week I'm actually presenting to the city of Chicago and an early childhood workforce committee that the mayor there has assembled of early childhood experts and industry disruptors.
And so how did they find out about us?
They just heard we're working with someone who had seen the work that APA had done and knew a little bit about our program and reached out to us back in November, and so that's led to a couple conversations, and so I'm presenting to them next week.
So exciting.
Yeah.
It's wonderful when, we think of ourselves as a small mountain town, but it's wonderful when, some of the other cities take note and see that, maybe some good things can come out of some small places.
Exactly.